What if I told you that selling these simple, basically blank books on Amazon are making internet hustlers insanely rich? We're talking real stories of people making anywhere from $3,000 to $300,000 per month in passive income with Amazon KDP.
And if you add these two numbers up, you arrive at over $315,000.
But the question is this all too good to be true? Well, in this video, we're going to put this business model to the test by starting my very own Amazon KDP store. And with no experience, over the next 15 days, I'm going to create a few low-content books to sell, take you through the entire marketing process for getting eyeballs on your listings, and at the end, reveal how many sales we actually generate. But before we begin, the 2 ground rules for this challenge are, number 1, I can't write a single sentence in any of the books. And number 2, to give the book some time to generate sales, I have to create and finish them all within 24 hours. So with the clock ticking, the first thing on my plan is to find an easy-to-use software for figuring out the best books to sell, along with actually creating the books. The one I'm going to use is called BookBolt. It comes with a 3-day free trial, and now that we're logged in, we need to decide the type of book we want to create first. There are a ton of different low-content books to choose from that don't actually require any writing, from notebooks, coloring books, journals, or even diaries. But instead of just guessing, I'm going to use BookBolt's product research tool to find books to sell with high demand and low competition. After scrolling through this product search tab where it shows books that are selling well on Amazon, I noticed that specifically coloring books are getting the most monthly sales. So when we click this book icon next to one of these listings, and on this next page, when you scroll down, we can see keywords this book is ranking for in search. And for example, it's currently ranked number 10 for the keyword adult color. And when we click on this more details pie icon, it tells us how many estimated monthly sales are generated from this keyword, along with its ranking, which is an F. That means this specific keyword has too much competition, but it clearly has a lot of demand and search volume. So let's keep looking by moving over to this movers and shakers tab, where we can find books that are really exploding in popularity. It's been about 30 minutes of searching, and I think I know the perfect title for our future coloring book.
Fairy Home's coloring book for adults, 288 pages of magical fairy houses, enchanted cottages, and whimsical forest retreat for relaxation and stress relief. Now here's why I think that title is so powerful.
The keyword Fairy Home's adult coloring book generates about 121 sales per month with a competition score of A. This tells me 2 things. Number 1, there is proven buyer demand, and number 2, the niche is active but still niche enough where we can stand out from the competition. But what really got my attention is I chose to specifically add 288 pages to this book because the search term 288 pages coloring book gets over 18,000 searches per month with 0 direct listings optimized for that keyword. This is what I call keyword layering, where instead of just competing on one keyword, we're ranking on multiple buyer searches at the same time. But now that I've explained this concept to you, I'm going to use an AI tool like ChatGPT Agent or Codex on my Mac Mini to automate this research process by giving it access to my BookBolt account, while we go back downstairs and start working on our book cover. Over in the BookBolt studio, I'm going to copy and paste our book title for the name of this first project. For the trim, let's select 8.5 by 11, since that's how a lot of similar books to mine are formatted on Amazon. Now let's type in 288 for the number of pages, and finally let's leave page bleed on and click create project. If you're making a different kind of book, it may be worth it to reduce the number of pages to bring down your printing cost and increase your profit per sale. Amazon KDP just requires that your book is at least 24 pages in length. Now that our project is created, the cover slide shows 2 sides. The right will be what's displayed on the front of the book, while the left is for the back cover. Having an appealing front cover for your book is extremely important, since that's the first thing a potential customer sees when they scroll through Amazon to consider buying a coloring book. Just make sure you aren't using any copyrighted photos in your designs, since legally that could get you into trouble. By clicking this bottom icon in the BookBolt studio, we can actually generate AI images for this book with a simple text prompt. And you can also add in the style of artwork you want the AI to do. I selected acrylic since I feel like that style will work really well with the coloring book, and I selected 1:1 square as the aspect ratio. Now let's click generate image, and once it's generated, let's click add to page. Now we just have to crop this image to the page after we add in a nice dark background around both sides of the cover. I think the coloring book is coming along pretty solid so far, but now similar to a lot of other coloring books that are selling well on Amazon, I'm going to add some text down here at the bottom with a nice bold title and a smaller subtitle below it. With the front cover of the book created, the back isn't nearly as important. I asked ChatGPT for help, and it's generated me some back cover art that fits really well with the overall design of the book. So let's upload this image into BookBolt and fit it into the left side of the page to complete this step. Now let's move on to the inside of the this book. Even though we have a staggering 288 pages to fill out, creating the inside of this coloring book isn't very difficult, since our tool features a ton of different templates you can use, not just for coloring books, but also for planners, Sudoku, journals, or crossword books that we might make before the end of the day. This means you can create these books without having to write a single sentence. Since a lot of these coloring book templates seem more geared towards kids, I think I want to create my own custom design. So let's hop over to the AI tool again, and after we give it a prompt, I can select coloring for the style of the artwork, and this will give us a coloring page that specifically fits our book's theme. Making the first page only took us a few seconds, but now we have to repeat this process another 287 times. Putting together the coloring pages took me about 3 hours, but for the other books like the crossword puzzles or Sudoku book, the process is even faster, since you can simply add one template across every page, and BookBolt will automatically generate different puzzles and solutions for each one.
But with our first book completed, it's time to get it listed on Jeff Bezos' little bookstore.
To do that, we're going to make an Amazon KDP account, which is free to sign up for, and you don't have to make any minimum amount of sales to get paid. The royalty income for your book sales starts coming in 60 days after the month where you start generating sales. So today, for example, is February 26th, so I'll start getting paid for my sales in April and May. To download our book and upload it to Amazon KDP, let's go to BookBolt and select Download Current Project CMYK, and this generates a zip file splitting the book into two files, one for the cover and one for the interior of the book. Back on Amazon KDP, let's select Create New Title or Series, select Paperback, and fill out the details for the book. The nice thing about Amazon KDP is they only print your book when someone orders it, so you're not getting charged for printing costs unless you get a sale. With the cover and manuscript for the book now uploaded into Amazon KDP, let's move on to pricing. The printing cost for this book is $5.90, but you have to keep in mind that you only get 60% of the sale price as a royalty when your book sells, and then you have to pay $5.90 on top of that to print each book. This puts our break-even price for selling this book at roughly $10. But when you're launching a new product on Amazon, you always want to start out with a lower price to build sales volume. So we're going to set the price at $12.99 for now, and eventually raise it as we start getting positive reviews. This means to start, I'll make $1.90 per sale, but eventually that number will move up to $3.10. With the price set, let's click Publish Your Paperback, and within 72 hours, this book will be live and available for purchase. Before the 24-hour timer ran down, I was able to complete 3 more books: a St. Patrick's Day coloring book, a shark sketchbook with empty pages on the inside, and a Sudoku book for grandmas.
I went ahead and ordered an author's version for each book, and 2 of them came in so far.
And these books were very easy for me to put together. Amazon has just started approving them to be listed, with 1 book live on the profile right now, while the other 3 are still in review. This process can take up to 72 hours.
Today is day 6, and we just got 2 sales on the store, making us a staggering $2.32 in estimated royalties. I just learned that Amazon KDP doesn't report sales until the book is printed and shipped, which could take anywhere from 2 to 3 days and up to 6 days. So I'm expecting sales to hopefully skyrocket from here.
So far, the only marketing we've done for the books is good keyword research. But to be a top Amazon salesman, that's not going to cut it. So today, I'm going to try marketing our books by making TikTok videos promoting each one. I created a TikTok page called World of US Books and made a video about the Sudoku book along with the books for adult coloring. Then in the description, I mentioned there's a link to buy the book in my bio, which goes to my Amazon author page showing all the books I've made.
I didn't know this until pretty much just now, but TikToks about Sudoku books, crosswords, or even adult coloring books seem to get a lot of views. So let's just take inspiration from what those creators did to whip up a few videos in less than an hour.
Day 7 and day 8 were dry with no sales. But on the bright side, one of my TikTok videos about the Sudoku book got 10,000 views. So hopefully some sales pop up from that soon.
Today is day 9 of this challenge, and we made $3.05 today. And so far, our best-selling book is this coloring book with St. Patrick's Day gnomes. With the holiday coming up in 11 days, now's probably the time that people are searching for this.
So the next marketing option we have is to either run Amazon ads, which costs money, but Jeff Bezos could really use the extra help to get his bookstore off the ground, so I'm considering it. Or another option to market these books is to post about them on Pinterest. There's a lot of people who post free snippets of Sudoku or coloring book pages for people to print out. But when you click on a lot of these posts, they often have a link to a website where you can purchase the full book.
I just made a few posts with individual pages of my Sudoku book, and when you click on one of these listings and scroll down, it links to one of my Amazon listings, which you could buy right here. And the cool thing about this strategy is it's free free, and you could spam like 20 posts per day pretty easily. Good morning, guys. Yesterday, we had our highest day on Amazon KDP ever with $5.37 in royalties.
And I've decided Jeff Bezos is not getting my ad money. The sales seem to be rolling in without his help. Despite me putting in 20 minutes per day to post snippets of my books on Pinterest, sales completely dried up on day 11 and day 12.
And although we were able to get sales back up today, something has to change.
My book ranks first when you search Sudoku for grandmas, and on the first page when you look up Fairy Home Adult Coloring Book. It's not ranking at all, however, when you search St. Patrick's Day Coloring Book. Since there's a lot of competition, and since this book is my top seller so far, I'm going to create an Amazon ads account and set up a standard ad promoting it with a budget of $6.90 daily. Now let's click Launch Campaign.
The ads have been running for the past few days, and you guys can see from $46.40 in ad cost, we brought in 3 purchases for $23.97 in sales. I ended up pausing the ads since they weren't profitable, but I definitely think they help build traction on our listing since we've now sold 30 books for $254.70 in revenue.
But of course, that isn't all profit. Our royalty from these sales were only $36.33 after Amazon fees and printing costs. I also spent $46.40 on Amazon ads and used BookBolt's 3-day free trial, which for the pro membership was $19.99 per month. You could get the newbie version for half the price if you want to just try this out, but I wanted to make sure I had all the tools necessary to get the most amount of sales in 2 weeks. BookBolt also hooked me up with a discount code since I used them so much in this video. So if you use the code financialwolf, you get an additional 20% off your subscription cost, and I'll leave the link at the top of the description. Had I not spent so much money on Amazon ads, we'd be in profit for this challenge, but with 30 books sold in our first 15 days in business, I'd say this hustle looks pretty promising.
Imagine that instead of 4 books on my profile, I had 50 listed with half of them bringing in 10 sales per day. I can absolutely see how people are using Amazon KDP to build real passive income, because once your book is created and it starts ranking in Amazon search, you can start generating sales without having to put in very much work. And you can do this hustle from anywhere on the globe. So be sure to let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of this video, and if we can smash 2,500 likes on it, I'll do a part 2. Peace out.